Hello, cozy friends. Today I will draw Mum with a towel on her head. Her fur still damp, her smile glowing bright. While the picture slowly appears, I'll tell you a gentle story. But before I begin the tale, please like this video, just like Bluey pressing her paw on a button. Mum steps softly, towel wrapped. Her tail sways, her eyes shine. I feel like a queen, she says. Would you place a crown too? Like Mum? Bluey giggles loudly, paws clap, her ears wiggle, her cheeks glow. That towel looks so funny. She laughs. Would you laugh softly too? Like Bluey? Bingo skips nearby, feet tap, her paws wave, her nose twitch. Is Mum a superhero now? She asks, would you stretch your arms too? Like Bingo? Dad peeks around. Face silly, his eyes cross, his tail wiggles. I'm the towel monster. He roars. Would you roar loudly too? Like Dad? Everyone chuckles warmly. Voices sing. The room glows, hearts shine. Best family moment. Mum whispers, would you smile gently too? Tonight, the drawing is done. Mum beams proud, her towel crown sparkles, her family cheers. Good night, little dreamers. Rest safe.